While it may not look like it now, Albania used to be the poorest country in the region. Communism fell in 1991, and this is when the local regime also collapsed. The country was in isolation for almost 5 decades, which is why it did not go through much development. Of course, it has recovered now. Although it is still one of the developing countries in the region, the tourism industry is now booming, and the infrastructure has also gotten a lot better. Hello everyone, welcome back to Travel Guide International. Today we have an exciting journey ahead as we explore one of Europe's best-kept secrets, Albania. This small Balkan country is home to stunning landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality. Join me as we uncover the most beautiful places that make Albania a true hidden gem. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our travel adventures. Now, let's get started. Number 1. The Albanian Riviera. Our journey begins along the mesmerizing Albanian Riviera. Nestled in the heart of the Balkan Peninsula, Albania stands as an enchanting destination that has been a well-kept secret among travelers for decades. With its stunning landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality, Albania offers an authentic and off-the-beaten-path experience for those seeking to escape the crowds and discover a true hidden gem. Where the Ionian Sea meets pristine beaches and charming coastal villages, the crystal-clear waters and picturesque landscapes make this stretch of coastline a must-visit for any traveler seeking tranquility and natural beauty. The accursed mountains offer picturesque hiking trails, charming mountain villages, and a chance to witness traditional Albanian mountain culture. The pristine Valbona Valley and Theth National Park are a paradise for trekkers and adventure seekers. Albania stands as a captivating destination for travelers seeking an authentic and enriching experience. With its stunning coastlines, historical treasures, majestic mountains, flavorful cuisine, and vibrant traditions, Albania offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. As this Balkan gem continues to gain recognition on the global tourism map, there has never been a better time to explore the hidden wonders of Albania. So pack your bags and embark on a journey to discover the magic that lies within this captivating country. Number 2. Llogara Pass and the Ceraunian Mountains. Now, let's head inland to experience the breathtaking Llogara Pass and the Ceraunian Mountains. The panoramic views from the pass are absolutely awe-inspiring, offering a unique perspective of the country's rugged terrain. Adventure enthusiasts will find this area perfect for hiking and exploring the diverse flora and fauna. To help preserve the forested area in the past, the government declared 2,500 acres, between the altitudes of 470 meters and 2,010 millimeters above sea level, a national park in 1966. And with good reason. There are so much flora and fauna in this area we could see forests of pine, fir, and ash for miles. Living in those forests are deer, wild boar, eagles, and woodpeckers, to name a few. Number 3. Gjirokastër, the Stone City. Moving on to the historic city of Gjirokastër, often referred to as the Stone City due to its well-preserved Ottoman architecture. The UNESCO-listed Gjirokastër Castle provides a captivating glimpse into Albania's past, and the charming cobblestone streets take you on a journey through time. Much like Pocheteli in Bosnia and Herzegovina, the Ottoman-style Old City completely captures your imagination from the first moment you tread its cobbled streets. Layers of Greek, Byzantine, Albanian, Ottoman, and Sufi heritage have accumulated in the cracks of Gjirokastër's facades like moss. The town is known locally for being the birthplace of revered Albanian writer Ismail Kadare. Its more sinister claim to fame is as the site of Albania's most notorious political prison and the birthplace of Enver Hoxha, the country's one-time despotic leader. Number 4. Lake Ohrid. Transitioning to the tranquility of Lake Ohrid, a UNESCO World Heritage Site shared between Albania and North Macedonia. The serene waters of Lake Ohrid are surrounded by lush landscapes, and the town of Pogradec offers a peaceful retreat for those seeking a break from the hustle and bustle. Did you know? Ohrid city once had 365 churches, one for every day of the year. Lots of them are still there, including the most visited one in North Macedonia, the Church of St. John at Kaneo, which has beautiful frescoes and clifftop views across the lake number 5, Theth National Park. Now, let's explore the untouched beauty of Theth National Park, nestled in the Albanian Alps. This remote paradise is a haven for nature lovers, with its alpine landscapes, traditional stone houses, and the stunning Grunus waterfall, creating an idyllic setting for hiking and exploration. The Albanian Alps and the Shala Valley are at the heart of the national park. Generally speaking, the park represents the characteristics of a high-terrain landscape with sharp, steep mountains. Along with the mountains of the Alps and the Shala Valley, the area is characterized by thick forests, meandering rivers, beautiful waterfalls, and striking rock formations. The park is comprised of a diverse ecosystem that changes with elevation, transitioning from the oak-dominated lower elevations, moving into the beech forests as the elevations change. The alpine terrain at even higher elevations features junipers, shrubs, and alpine bluegrass. These diverse ecosystems serve as home to a variety of wildlife species. The brown bear is the largest and, for many, the most exciting. Other popular wildlife includes chamois, roe deer, lynx, wild goat, and the gray wolf. The lesser kestrel and the golden eagle are two of the more exciting sightings from the 50 species of birds nesting or migrating through the park. Number 6. Butrint, ancient ruins, and natural beauty. Our final destination brings us to Butrint, an archaeological treasure trove and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Butrint's well-preserved ruins, including a Roman theater and a Venetian fortress, make it a fascinating blend of history and nature, showcasing the layers of civilizations that have shaped Albania. Every traveler should include Butrint on their Albanian travel itinerary, because it is undoubtedly one of the highlights of the Land of the Eagles. A plus is that the archaeological park is located close to some of the most beautiful beaches along the Ionian Sea, such as Ksamil and the beaches of Saranda, the unofficial capital of the Albanian Riviera. Butrint is not just an important and interesting archaeological park with ancient ruins and artifacts. Thanks to its spectacular location, hidden in the middle of a forest surrounded by plenty of trees, flowers, and the Vivari Canal, Butrint is a paradise for nature lovers as well. There's a glimpse into the most beautiful places in Albania. From the stunning coastline to the rugged mountains, this country truly offers a diverse range of landscapes and experiences for every traveler. If you enjoyed this virtual journey, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.